It's 8:44, September 20th, 2019, and I am definitely going to speak out. Trump, you're not buying nothing. And all these rednecks will gather up their guns and go to your Trump Towers. You know why? Because I'm the preserver. I'm the one preserving this. You're the one that's getting a free ride with your wealth. You know about the technology, and you know what has been dumped on President Trump, and you're very comfortable thinking, oh, the whole world will think that little lady, Miss Jody Smith, is mentally ill and crazy, and they're not going to listen to what she's saying. But something really bad is about to happen to you if you're not a clone, a double, which you probably are a clone and have a double. But all of the manifestations of you will be gone. That's right, bisexual misogynist. Because you are the reason this Mandela effect was used. You're a fallen angel. And your wife needs to rat on you. You and your mail order brides. The Russians need to do something with you. You're never going to make America great again because you can't make America great. The only way America can be great again is if the indigenous Indians on the land are restored back to their rightful positions. Because you hate Indians. You're a white, yellow, a white, I should call you a pink-faced, white-haired monkey. That's what you are. You're a monkey. And I'm going to say what I'm going to say, and I'm going to have my free speech, and I'm going to tell you that I don't like you. Because I know that you were responsible for this. You have not exposed Pizzagate or Pedogate yet. Why is that? Because you're a boy victim. You don't want your business out because you've been sodomized your own damn self. But yet you can go buy up a whole territory called Greenland. Let me tell you what's going to happen, Trump. You're going to buy everything up with your wealth that belongs to Mother Lakshmi, the goddess of fortune that you have had raped, you and all these fucked up Freemasons and Maltonites and Jesuits. You're going to buy all that land, and it's going to be snatched from you because I am I'm Vishnu's spouse. Do you understand me? Your wealth is being stored up for the poor. Game over, okay? And all the Indians over there that went along with this, and these black Hebrews that went along with this bullshit, y'all can burn in hell for eternity. No one gets away with raping me. I don't care if they see me being sodomized by my psychiatrist, James Schultz. You know why? Because he's in the wrong. You are not supposed to videotape that being done to your damn patient, and now you think you can walk around and store your money in the Cayman Islands. Oh, it's about to get real. I told you I'm the reality, and the reality is nasty and dirty. And you got your puppet over there that worked for you. He worked at your Trump Towers, and he's bragging because y'all are a bunch of fucking racists. And it's about to stop. Go ahead, buy up all the land and watch we snatch it from you. Ain't nothing gonna happen. America can never be great again until you give this land back. Jai Ho, my Dorga.